black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie. To all of my new subscribers, welcome to all my returning subscribers. What's good, what's poppin', what it do, what's up, queens? So today's video is going to be clearly on these passion twists. Y'all, I started this hairstyle off on something else, but I'll get into that when I get into the video. But before I get started, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when you girl post. I am on the road to 10K by the end of 2021, so help a sister out and hit the subscribe button. Let me know what y'all think about these twists. I feel like I did a really good job. They are so stinking cute. I've been wanting to do passion twists for the longest, and I finally had the time to do so. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching. Hey queens, so we're gonna jump right in it. Y'all, so you're gonna need some rubber bands, some oil, rat tail comb, of course the hair that you'll be using. So I did not show y'all how I did oil my rubber bands, but I didn't show y'all how I parted the back of my hair because I was in the bathroom. I needed my mirror and it was a little hard trying to record. So I am going to show y'all up front how I do it. And when you're parting, it's literally all about feeling. That's how I go about doing my parts. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and part straight down the middle, and then I am running back and forth to the bathroom to make sure my parts was decent. So I'm going to do that again. And y'all, for this hairstyle, I was supposed to be doing one hairstyle. It was supposed to be some braids, but I ended up doing my passion twist because I hated my braids, and I will show y'all later on in the video those braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and part a little square right there, and we're gonna go ahead and throw our rubber bands on. Excuse me. Yeah, you can put them as tight as you want, but I don't like my hair super tight. And yeah, so these are the parts. They came out really good as usual. I'll be snapping on the parts, like for real. So now, y'all, these are my braids. I absolutely hated them. I was trying to do something different. I had purple, red, blue, blonde, but it looked cute right here, but I just took them down. It was just not me. So now we're gonna get into the twist. This is some Shine and Gem that I got from my local beauty supply for $3.19. Y'all, it smells like some old deodorant that I used to use. So I'm using a water curl, 3 packs at a 1B, and I think I had paid $9.99 for them. So this method is not the method that I use, but this is for people with thinner and shorter hair. It gives you a more full look when you separate the hair like I just did. So you want to apply some gem to your hair, and y'all just twisted those two together, and we're gonna go ahead and braid it down a couple braids, and then we're going to split my hair into one on each side, and we're just going to twist that all the way down like so. Y'all, super easy. So once you get to the bottom, you just want to twirl it around your finger, and literally that's it, just like so. Super cute, right? So this is what y'all don't want to do. You want to make sure that you braid it down a little ways, because if not, this will happen right here. Look at this. It just slid right down. Like, and y'all, when I did it, I had a couple of them, so I had to go back and do them over. I was so blue. So I am doing around my head because I did not finish this right away. And as you see, I did cut like extra hairs away because they was like in the way. So I'm showing you guys again here. You want to make sure you braid it down. Since my hair is super long and thick, separate my hair into 2, but you don't have to. You can put your hair on one side and just twist it down. It could be easier for you if your hair is more on the thin and shorter side. But yeah, that's literally it. And this is the full and finishing look. Let me know what you guys think about it. I love the way it turned out. This is super easy. It's a little time consuming with the rubber band method, but I love it. I hope you guys try it. Um, Let me know what you think about this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Help your girl reach her 10K. And I love you guys oh so much. And I'm out. Mwah. Peace.